What's going on, guys? Tonight's video we're going to be discussing how to install tire stickers right here. It's very, very simple. I will have it linked in the description box below the video so you can check it out. So the proper way to clean it would be acetone on the rubber. If you don't have acetone, try some 91% alcohol. I'll try to link that as well. Clean rag, definitely clean it several times because the oil and the dirt on the rubber of the tire. And then you're going to come back here to the back of the tire stickers, clean that with acetone or rubbing alcohol as well. And then, of course, they do give you the adhesive that you use on the back of it with some tire cleaner as well, or tire sticker cleaner as well for after to clean them to make sure they are nice and white. But other than that, you just put the adhesive film on the back of it here. Put your hand on there for 30 seconds each one, and then work your way down. So 30 seconds to 40 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and then you just let it go ahead and dry there for about 10 minutes before you do peel off the back portion of the plastic, which is holding it together right there. Very, very simple. Again, use the adhesive, color in the lines, a very light film all the way around. And so if this was the tire here, you would have the adhesive, hold that on for about 30 to 40 seconds, and then pull this one up, put the adhesive on, put that one on there for 30, 40 seconds, work your way all the way down until you have the whole entire sticker on there. And then again, after about 10 minutes, pull up the back portion of the plastic, which is holding the sticker on. And then you are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. It does say not to drive or wash the car for about an hour. Driving, I wouldn't really worry about that, but definitely do not wash it until it's been at least 1 hour. And again, so check out the description box below the video for the links for these tire stickers and the cleaner for it as well. These look absolutely phenomenal. We're going to be putting another row on the bottom, and of course each tire as well. Phenomenal. Looks amazing. Custom make your tire stickers.